Welcome to English Mastery Guide. In today's Slow English podcast, you will practice real and natural English used in everyday life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation of each sentence. This simple method will help you improve your speaking, listening, pronunciation, and overall fluency. If you practice along with me until the end of this lesson, you will feel more comfortable speaking English, understand spoken English more easily, and build the confidence to express yourself naturally in real conversations. So get ready to listen, repeat, and speak. Let us begin. I check my email every morning. I check my email every morning. We check our answers carefully. We check our answers carefully. They check the schedule every day. They check the schedule every day. She checks the price before buying. She checks the price before buying. He checks the door before sleeping. He checks the door before sleeping. I pack my clothes for the trip. I pack my clothes for the trip. You pack your lunch at home. You pack your lunch at home. We pack our bags together. We pack our bags together. They pack the boxes carefully. They pack the boxes carefully. She packs her books into her backpack. She packs her books into her backpack. He packs his tools in the garage. He packs his tools in the garage. I call my parents every weekend. I call my parents every weekend. You call your friend after work. You call your friend after work. We call a taxi when it rains. We call a taxi when it rains. They call their teacher for help. They call their teacher for help. She calls her sister every night. She calls her sister every night. He calls the office in the morning. He calls the office in the morning. I answer the question confidently. I answer the question confidently. You answer politely during meetings. You answer politely during meetings. We answer the emails quickly. We answer the emails quickly. They answer all the messages. They answer all the messages. She answers the phone immediately. She answers the phone immediately. He answers with a smile. He answers with a smile. I repair my bicycle on Sundays. I repair my bicycle on Sundays. You repair broken chairs at home. You repair broken chairs at home. We repair old computers together. We repair old computers together. They repair roads in the city. They repair roads in the city. She repairs clothes with a needle. She repairs clothes with a needle. He repairs cars in a workshop. He repairs cars in a workshop. I draw simple pictures in my notebook. I draw simple pictures in my notebook. You draw animals very well. You draw animals very well. We draw maps during class. We draw maps during class. They draw cartoons for children. They draw cartoons for children. She draws flowers on the paper. She draws flowers on the paper. He draws buildings for his project. He draws buildings for his project. I dance at family celebrations. I dance at family celebrations. You dance with great energy. You dance with great energy. We dance together at weddings. We dance together at weddings. They dance to traditional music. They dance to traditional music. She dances beautifully on stage. She dances beautifully on stage. He dances better than before. He dances better than before. I sing quietly in my room. I sing quietly in my room. You sing loudly in the shower. You sing loudly in the shower. We sing songs during trips. We sing songs during trips. They sing in the church choir. They sing in the church choir. She sings with a sweet voice. She sings with a sweet voice. He sings his favorite song every day. He sings his favorite song every day. I cook rice for dinner. I cook rice for dinner. You cook delicious soup at home. You cook delicious soup at home. We cook together on weekends. We cook together on weekends. They cook food for the guests. They cook food for the guests. She cooks breakfast every morning. She cooks breakfast every morning. He cooks spicy chicken carefully. He cooks spicy chicken carefully. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. You wash your car every Saturday. You wash your car every Saturday. We wash our clothes together. We wash our clothes together. They wash the windows every month. They wash the windows every month. She washes her face with cold water. She washes her face with cold water. He washes the floor carefully. He washes the floor carefully. I cut vegetables in the kitchen. I cut vegetables in the kitchen. You cut paper with scissors. You cut paper with scissors. We cut the cake into pieces. We cut the cake into pieces. They cut the grass in the garden. They cut the grass in the garden. She cuts her hair once a month. She cuts her hair once a month. He cuts wood for the fire. He cuts wood for the fire. I open the app on my phone. I open the app on my phone. You open the bottle slowly. You open the bottle slowly. We open the meeting with a grating. We open the meeting with a grating. They open their books to page 10. They open their books to page 10. She opens the curtain every morning. She opens the curtain every morning. He opens the store early. He opens the store early. I lock the door before leaving. I lock the door before leaving. You lock your bicycle outside the school. You lock your bicycle outside the school. Great job today. If you repeated every sentence out loud, you have already taken an important step towards speaking English more naturally and confidently. Practice these sentences again tomorrow and notice how much easier they feel. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to English Mastery Guide, like this video, and leave a comment below. I practiced today. I will see you in the next video.